Good morning, sir. Students. How are you all? I hope you will be well. So, welcome again in Avalon Public Senior Secondary School in Maths class from Least Supplementary Book. Dear students, in the last video, we explained the practice question number 1 of 1.3 question. I hope you have all completed the 1.3 question. So dear students, after that question, we discuss new concept time 4. It means rotational symmetry. Thank you. So dear students, rotational symmetry is written is there. Rotation is the process of turning a given shape or object through an angle about the fixed point. It can rotate in the direction of the hand of a clock, which is called clockwise rotation, or in the opposite direction, which is called anti-clockwise rotation. It means if we round in this type, then we can say it is a clockwise direction, and if we turn in this side in the direction, we can say it is anti-clockwise direction. Consider the rotation of the flag in figure 14. This is figure 14. When this type after 1 upon 4 of turn means 90 degree, it become in this type after 1 upon 180 turn, 180 degree turns means 1 upon 2 turns, it means it become in this shape, and after 3 upon 4 turn it means 270 degree turns, then we can get in this type this flag, and after the 360 we get the same. So a full turn means a rotation of 360 degree. A feature, a figure has rotational symmetry when it is satisfy the following criteria. First point is it can be rotated less than a full rotation clockwise or anti-clockwise about a fixed point. Second point, it has certain position from which it took exactly the same as it does in its original position. Let us pin down a playing card at its center rotation is clockwise by 90 degree, then we can after 90 degree rotation we can get this type of this playing card after every time till it complete one revolution and see what happened. The point about which a figure is rotated is known as the center of rotation. In this means it is a center of rotation, because from this point we rotate this figure by 90 degree, by 180, by 270, and by 360. Second point, the maximum angle by the which a figure must be rotated to get the original figure is called the angle of rotation. It means this is 90 degree, after 180 we get same as original, it means angle of rotation will be 180. Figure number 15 is a angle of rotation, that is 180. The number of times a figure fits one onto itself or look exactly the same, the complete rotation 360 is called order of rotation. Okay, so how many time it is rotated? Two time rotated and get original position. So in this way we can say order of rotation is 1 and 2. 2 will be order of rotation. Clear? Similarly, let us use the order of rotation for the following shape that are rotation clockwise about their center of rotation. This is 90 degree, after 90 degree this A become here after 90 degree rotation. After 90 degree rotation this A plays at here. After 90 degree it A placed on a initial or original position. In this way we can say it have 4 time turns, it means order of rotation that will be 4. In figure number this order of rotation is 4 and angle of rotation will be 90 degree. Okay, now in this figure full rotation there are 3 times, means 1 term 2 3. After the 3 rotation we get the same position a here on the above, here also above. So in this way we can say there are order of rotation is 3 and angle is 120 120 120. So in this way the relation between angle of rotation and order of rotation is equal to angle of rotation equal 360 upon order of rotation. For example, this is a figure that is regular pentagon. So angle of rotation is equal to 360 and angle of rotation is equal to 360 upon order of rotation. We know that 5 sides are equal. In this way we can say order of rotation is 5. When 360 divided by 5 we can get the angle of rotation is 72 degree. Clear students? Here real words example of rotation symmetry. Find out the angle of rotation of the object shown in the figure. There are order of rotation 5. So we know that formula is angle of rotation is equal to 360 upon order of rotation. So here 360 for this figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because here also given order of rotation is 5. When we divide it by 5 it get 72 degree. So answer of this figure also will be we get 72 degree. So dear students, please solve the question number 2.1 do yourself. Thank you. And in this question, please wait, in this question we what to do, what the question saying what is the order of rotation symmetry and the of the following. So we can say order of rotation in this may it turn after 2 time means 90 it means 2. Answer will be of rotation for this figure will be 2. Please solve the rest question yourself. Thank you and have a nice time.